Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. I've gotten a lot of recent inquiries from clients and reports effectively from clients telling me that they've had all kinds of weird interactions with CBP. I say weird, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, when we're talking about CBP, but I say weird because, for example, somebody who was coming in and out of the United States on a tourist visa had never overstayed their tourist visa, but admittedly during COVID had stayed a prolonged period of time and then had left and come back in. They started getting hassled. I've also had a number of clients recently getting a lot of heightened scrutiny associated with how long they've been outside of the country when they have a green card, raising the issue of, so-called presumption of abandonment of residence in the United States. I've seen this on top of just really getting into people's personal itineraries. And these are on people that haven't overstayed. They've been using a tourist visa correctly. Okay, maybe they've had a lot of prolonged travel to the United States in recent memory, but it's all part of this, in my opinion, this push in some sort of bureaucratic circles, if you will, to increase this sort of interpretive prerogative on the part of the bureaucracy within the otherwise legal framework. So if the law says you only get 6 months on a tourist visa and you use 4.5 months in one entry and then you wait a number of months and you come back again and you stay 4 months again, that starts bumping up against, okay, yeah, I see where customs may be worried that that person is effectively trying to use a tourist visa to live in the United States. But it's deeper than that. I'm just noticing more and more that when we will find solutions for people, this is in both a U.S. and a Thai immigration context, we'll find legal solutions for people, and then it's almost as if the system wants to evolve to not allow that solution in the future. And that's where I don't get it. And that's where I would say, maybe CBP should look at how they're doing some of this entry protocol stuff, because there's a number of people who really aren't trying to evade or violate the laws regarding entry to the United States, and they're seeming to get a ton of hassle out of USCBP. Meanwhile, I gotta be honest, I'm not the type of person that likes to throw this up in the immigration apparatus's face, but we got a southern border that's just wide open, and people are just doing all kinds of stuff down along there, and meanwhile, we're nitpicking people who are really trying to go out of their way to abide by U.S. law. It just seems like a nonsensical way to handle things.